Ever wondered if you can simply walk into a TD branch and deposit your US dollars? Maybe you've got some leftover cash from a trip where you receive payments in USD. It's a common question, and thankfully, the answer is generally yes, you can. But there are a few important things to know about how TD handles USD deposits, whether you're in Canada or the US, and what type of account you're depositing into. Let's break it down. Depositing USD into a TD account. The good news is that TD Bank offers various ways to handle US dollar deposits. Your options and how the deposit is processed depend on whether you have a Canadian-based TD account or a US-based TD Bank account, and what currency your account is set up for. For Canadian TD accounts, TD Canada Trust. If you're in Canada and have an account with TD Canada Trust, you absolutely can deposit USD. However, the key distinction is whether you're depositing into a Canadian dollar, CAD, account or a dedicated US dollar, USD, account. Asterisk depositing USD into a CAD account asterisk yes, you can do this. TD will convert your US dollars to Canadian dollars at their current exchange rate. This means the amount credited to your account will be in CAD, and it'll reflect the exchange rate at the time of deposit. Keep in mind that exchange rates fluctuate, so the value you receive might be different than you expect if you're not tracking the rates. Asterisk depositing USD into a TD US dollar account asterisk this is often the preferred option if you frequently deal with US dollars. TD Canada Trust offers dedicated US dollar checking accounts. If you deposit USD cash or checks into one of these accounts, the funds remain in US dollars, avoiding any currency conversion fees and allowing you to hold onto your USD without worrying about exchange rate fluctuations. This is super convenient for cross-border banking, especially if you travel, shop, or receive payments in USD regularly. Hashtag for US TD accounts, TD Bank, America's most convenient bank. If you have a TD Bank account in the United States, depositing US dollars is straightforward, as it's the native currency of those accounts. You can deposit USD cash or checks directly into your checking or savings accounts. How to make the deposit. TD offers several convenient ways to deposit US dollars. Asterisk in branch asterisk the most common and often easiest way is to visit a TD branch. A teller can assist you with your deposit, whether it's cash or a check. Asterisk ATM asterisk many TD ATMs accept cash and check deposits, including USD. However, for foreign currency checks or large cash amounts, an in-branch deposit might be more advisable. Asterisk mobile deposit asterisk for checks, TD's mobile deposit feature allows you to snap a picture of your check using the TD app. If you're depositing a USD check into a USD account, this is a very convenient option. Important considerations. While depositing USD is generally easy, here are a few things to keep in mind. Asterisk exchange rates and fees asterisk if you deposit USD into a CAD account, a currency conversion will occur, and TD will apply its retail exchange rate. This rate might not be the mid-market rate, meaning there could be a small markup. If you're looking to avoid these conversion costs, a dedicated TD US dollar account is your best bet. Asterisk holds on funds asterisk for check deposits, particularly foreign currency checks or large amounts, banks often place a hold on the funds to ensure the check clears. The hold period can vary, so if you need immediate access to the funds, cash deposits are usually the quickest. Asterisk cross-border banking solutions asterisk TD offers specific cross-border banking solutions designed for individuals who frequently move money between Canada and the US. These services can make managing your USD even easier, often with preferred exchange rates or reduced transfer fees between linked Canadian and US TD accounts. So, whether you're a frequent cross-border traveler or just have some stray US bills, TD provides clear ways to deposit your US dollars. Understanding your account options and the methods available will help you manage your money effectively. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.